Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RIRI, and today I really wanted to do a overnight clear slime, and I was looking everywhere. So I found one recipe on YouTube that I was willing to try, and it was from Karina Garcia. So first, what Karina did, she added clear glue into a bowl, then she added hot water and baking soda, then she added her activator. Then she stirred very slowly so that she didn't have no air bubbles. Now I want to try this. Let's experiment. So first, we'll put the glue. Now we're going to add our hot water and baking soda. Next, we're going to add our activator. And now we're going to stir slowly, like she said. Alright, so now we're going to cover it and leave it overnight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, hey guys, I'm back and it's the next day and I am so excited to check out the Karina Garcia Overnight Clear Slime. So I did all this hard work for absolutely nothing? No! It's watery, it's clumpy, and it's not even clear. But I'm not giving up. Let's try this again. And I think I just put too much activator. I'm not giving up. I'm trying this again. So here we are again on the second attempt of making Karina Garcia Overnight Clear Slime. I'm excited, but I'm very skeptical. Okay, let's check it out. I'm very excited. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Do you guys see this? It came out clear. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It came out perfect this time. It didn't come out like the other one. It came out just perfect. We did it, guys. We actually did it. It's clear, it's pokey, it's clicky, it's bubbly. I love it. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Now this came out perfect this time. It's amazing. I love it. It came out, I don't have any words for it. It's just so amazing. As awesome as this is, guys, I'm gonna make it more awesome. I'm gonna split this slime into 4. Alright guys, so I'm gonna split this into 4. And I'm gonna make 4 awesome slimes. And if you guys want to see how awesome it's gonna get, then keep on watching. You see this tray of goodies, guys? This stuff is what I'm gonna be using to make my 4 awesome slimes. Alright, so now that I split my slime into 4s, we're gonna go on to our slime, and our first one is pink. So first we're gonna add these pink sprinkles, and we're gonna put 2 scoops. Then we're gonna add these. Then we're gonna add these tiny pink flowers. Okay, now we're gonna add them. Then we're gonna add this pink micro powder. Okay. Now we're just gonna flip it so the colors can get in. It's turning out already super pretty. It's popping already. It is so pretty. It's clear still. Oh my god, guys, this is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, I love the shine to it. It has so much color. It came out perfect. I love the colors that I chose. And it's just so amazing. I love the shine to it. The micro powder gave it absolutely just shimmer. Now we're gonna go on Alright, so now we're on to number 2. And this one is gonna be lime green. So first we're gonna add these green rubber bands. Okay. Then we're gonna add some green sprinkles. And then we're gonna add some green flowers. Okay. And then we're gonna add some of this silver glitter. Now we're gonna put some silver glitter. Okay. And then we're gonna add some lime green food coloring. Oh, we're just gonna flip it to make it look green. So it's actually coming out beautiful. It's crunchy. It's lime green. I love the flowers in it. Just everything goes perfect. Alright, now we're on to the third one. And this one is purple. So first we're gonna add purple sprinkles. Then we're gonna add some purple flowers, some glitter, then we're gonna add some purple sparkles. Now we're just gonna flip it to make it pretty. This looks like a party slime. It has all the sparkles in it. It's just so amazing. It came out perfect. It's shining. Now guys, I saved the best for last. And that one is blue. So first, we're gonna add some sprinkles. And I'm gonna use blue and white balls. Then I'm gonna add some ice sprinkles. Then we're gonna add some blue flowers. Then we're gonna add some blue sprinkles again. Then we're gonna add some more blue sprinkles. Then we're gonna add some magic blue micro powder. But first, we're gonna put some blue sparkles. Okay, then we're gonna add some magic blue. Alright. Alright. Now we're gonna flip it to make it blue. It's already turning so pretty, guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty. This came out perfect. It's so pretty. And it's just, the swirls are so pretty. I love the way it came out. It's just so pretty. It's clicky. It's just so beautiful. I love the colors to it. It's beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to show you all of the slimes that I made. So first we have Shrek. Then we have Blue Ice. Then we have Pink Pearl. Then we have Party Time! Well, that's it for now, guys. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.